Hey, what's up, everybody? We're out here in freezing London, and I have a special guest with me. This is Timur Doumler.
Hello, everyone.
So if you don't know Timur Doumler, he's one of the more famous audio programmers on the planet, and he's done some amazing talks at places like CPPCon on building amazing audio products. And every second Tuesday of the month, we're proud to announce that together we're going to be having a audio programmer meetup right here in London. Currently, we're standing in front of the venue that we're going to be having it at. It's a place called Strong Room Bar and Studios, and it's very prestigious studios. It's recorded people like the Chemical Brothers, Prodigy, Arctic Monkeys, and even the Spice Girls, if you're into them. So we're going to be having some exciting talks every month. And Timur, can you just tell them a little bit more about what we're going to be doing at these meetups?
Right, so first of all, we're going to be at this amazing venue, so I'm really looking forward to that. And then we're going to have every month, we're going to have really exciting talks, we're going to have exciting speakers. For the first one, on the 10th of March, we're going to have Dave Roland.
Yeah, so Dave Roland, of course, you know, has done many famous audio development talks for places like ADC. So he's done a great talk on value trees. He's done a great talk on real-time programming. And what's he going to be talking about for this talk, Timur?
So this time he's going to talk to us about real-time trade-offs in audio programming.
Yeah, so this will be a great talk for audio developers of all levels that are looking to become better. We're also going to be doing the Audio Programmer Tip of the Month, where we're going to be doing a quick talk just talking about a small way that all of us can become better audio programmers. So if you'd like to sign up for the event, if you happen to be here in the London area, or if you're adventurous enough to actually fly out to London, we are going to be holding our RSVPs on meetup.com/audio programmer London. But the big surprise is that if you can't make it out to London, we're also going to be live streaming the talks from the venue every month. So every second Tuesday of the month, we're going to be live streaming a talk from prominent audio developers, people like Dave Roland, and we'll be live streaming them for people that can't fly out. So it'll be absolutely free, and we want you to join us from all around the world. If you're interested in sponsoring a talk or giving a talk, you could do that as well. Submit a proposal to me, email me directly, josh@theaudioprogrammer.com. So whether you're in London or you're somewhere around the world, we're looking forward to seeing you.
Exactly. I'm super excited about this, and I'm really looking forward to see you all here or on the live stream. Yeah, have a good one.
Have a good one, and we will see you on the 10th of March. That's the first one. See you soon.
See you soon.